Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add TikTok link to Instagram bio. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. So once you open, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom, and then you simply need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to click on share profile, and once you are here you simply need to scroll here and then you simply need to click on copy link. Okay, once link is copied, you simply need to go back and open your Instagram profile. So once you open your Instagram profile, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom, and then you simply need to click on edit profile, and here you can see links. You simply need to click on that and click on add external link. So let me add link here, and here I need to write TikTok. Okay, and hit on this tick mark, and here you can see that this link is added. So click on tick mark again. So once anyone click on that, he can go on to my TikTok profile from here like this. So this is the easy process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.